Rustling up language skills. The sound of rustle of a bag. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, rustle of a bag. This expression is not just about the words, but the sound they represent. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the subtleties of English. Let's get started. Rustle is an onomatopoeic word, meaning it imitates the sound associated with it. When we say rustle, we refer to a soft, muffled sound made by something light and flexible, like paper or leaves, when it's moved or disturbed. Picture a gentle, whisper-like sound, not loud, but very distinct. Now, imagine a bag. It could be a paper bag, a plastic bag, or any light, flexible material. When this bag is moved, touched, or rummaged through, it makes a specific sound. That sound is what we call a rustle. This sound is common in everyday life, often heard in grocery stores, kitchens, or even while unpacking a gift. So, when we say, rustle of a bag, we're describing a scenario where a bag is being interacted with, creating that soft, whispery sound. This phrase can be used literally, like describing a sound in a story, or metaphorically, to bring a sense of everyday life into poetry or song lyrics. Understanding this phrase enriches your English vocabulary with a sound-based expression. You might hear it in conversations, read it in books, or use it to describe a scene more vividly. It's a great example of how English often relies on sensory descriptions to convey meaning. That's all on the rustle of a bag. I hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your understanding of English. Keep listening for these everyday sounds, and you'll find that they can really bring language to life. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.